was called out here to program a dormant wind module. I'm gonna crank it over for you guys. So if you look right here, you can see that. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that does not sound good. Not 100% sure what's going on. I've got some suspicions though. Alright, so right now we're set up on amperage. That is our amperage right now. We jumped the starter relay, but we kept losing, it kept stopping, but this battery is really toast here. So now I am adding a voltage measurement here. Yeah. So if we come in here, stop this, let's go back a page, come here, voltage is our green trace. We are dropping down to 4 volts here. This battery is toast. And if you look here, take our voltage out of the equation here, look at our amperage, we're right up around 237 amps as that starter's beginning to pull. So we definitely need to start with the battery here. Battery, got it up and going.